going to show you a little fun activity how to draw a tree just using lines and shapes. So with your piece of paper, we're going to draw the tree step by step. You're going to follow my guide. I'm going to use a Sharpie, but you use a pencil, and make sure you draw light so that way if you make a mistake you can erase the lines and they'll go away. So follow my lead. You're going to hold your paper vertical, and we're going to draw in the middle of your paper. We're going to draw a diagonal line going just like that. Okay, the tree is organic, so we're not going to make straight lines. We're going to make some slightly curved lines because they're organic lines. So I'm going to draw, now I'm going to draw the trunk going down like that. Okay, and then I'm going to go out diagonal to the left, and like I said, don't make it straight, but now it's going to be the root of the tree, and I'm going to stop and make a point and go back in. But like I said, we're not making straight lines. I'm going to make slightly diagonal lines. So if you just follow my lead, we're going to make some roots. Okay, just like that. They don't have to be exactly like mine. And you can pause the video if you need to catch up. But all I'm doing is making some organic lines. I'm going to go across now. Draw another root this way, so I'm going to stop at the pencil, pick it up, and I'm going to continue going the other direction, but make it skinny. And then you start making it fat again. Go up a little, make a little bump. So now I'm going to start making it go fat. Okay, you're going to stop. You're going to leave some space here. Now I'm going to go back up. Okay, and like I said, your tree does not have to be like mine. We're just making some organic lines. Okay, in between, so this one started going out a little bit, and this one goes out to the left. In between, I'm going to make a wide letter V. Again, not so geometric and straight lined, but organic, a wide letter V. Okay, so these are the branches. They represent the branches. Now, the two branches, I'm going to make some leaves. And all this is letter U's, letter C's, curved lines. Again, I'm just going to go in different directions, organic shapes. This is all an organic shape. Okay, and close it. You can do the same thing on this branch. I'm going to make another one and just go in different directions. So if you look at the original, it doesn't have to be like mine, but I'm going to make a puff, like a cotton ball or a cloud. It's kind of like what it looks like. Alright, so that's two of them, and you close it. So we made two. Now if you notice, the tree has some leaves in the background and the foreground. So I'm going to put my pencil right here, go down to where the trunk is a little bit. I'm going to make some, again, fill up this whole page, and maybe you'll stop and connect to that branch area there. Same on this side. I'm going to continue over here. I'm going to make some wavy, organic, curved lines. Go in, go out. Okay, go fill up the page. Go in, go out. Make some dips. Okay. However you want. It doesn't have to look just like me, but make it big and puffy. Okay, then inside maybe make one or two small ones that are not connected to anything. Maybe make another one coming out of it and then going back in, but stop. Alright, so those are all the leaves. And then we're going to make some texture inside the tree of the bark. So I'm going to make like a spiral line, just like that. So you go in, spiral, then I'm going to go organic again and just go down. So that looks like represents some texture of the bark of the tree. Go around again, do maybe another small spiral. Whatever you want to do, it doesn't have to be like mine. Small spiral here, be a knot. Alright, and there is your organic tree. So get your color pencils or your crayons. Make sure you blend the colors. And you notice I use different shades of green. Sometimes I add a little bit of yellow to make it a lime green. So when you're blending, add a little bit of yellow and have fun coloring it. It doesn't have to be a green tree. It can be fall. The fall season is coming, so if you see some leaves outside that are orange and yellow, then make it an orange and yellow fall tree. Otherwise, make it a summer green tree. Hopefully you had fun with this video. Please subscribe to my channel and look for more channels every week. More videos every week.